Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing my update for the nail polish roulette that I'm doing for the year. Just kind of going through my nail polish. Anyway, these are the four I started out with. We have KB Shimmer in Teal It to My Heart, Scofflaw Polish in Circus Peanuts, Essence in Naughty or Nice, and Pacifica in Abalone. And I got a nail wheel, so I'll show you. Hold on a second. Okay. The black one is the Essence. This one is the Circus Peanuts. This one is Teal It to My Heart. It's actually a lot lighter in person. It comes up quite dark in on camera. And this one is Abalone. I'm keeping Abalone and decluttering Teal It to My Heart, Circus Peanuts, and Naughty or Nice. I don't like the texture on this one. I mean, I like glitter polishes, but I like when I don't feel the texture. So, yeah, that one's going to go. I mean, it was pretty, but nope. And Circus Peanuts, it just didn't look right on my nails. I mean, it was cute, but not on my nails, so that's getting decluttered. And this one stained my nails, so yeah, that wasn't very pretty. So getting rid of that one. And I'm keeping this one. This one was pretty. I used that a couple times. So that's staying in the project. Let me get what I'm rolling in. Okay, and these are what I'm rolling in. I have Moonshine Manny in Great British Baking Show. This one, I was going to roll this in, but I wore it this week. This was the week last week was the week I was supposed to film, so I wore it for the week, and I do not like this. So, this one is from Painted Phlanges. It is L7 Weenie. It's what I have on my nails. I don't like it. That's getting decluttered. And then I have Pretty Woman nail polish. I don't remember what the name of this was. It's like a nude. So anyway, in the yellow one's place, I have another one from Painted Phlanges from the same line. It is You're Killing Me Smalls. And I do have my nail wheel here. This one is Pretty Woman. This one was the yellow. This one is Great British Baking Show. And this one is You're Killing Me Smalls. So I've decluttered 4, and I have 4 that are being used right now. So that's my little update for this month. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Please click the thumbs up if you like nail polish videos. Subscribe if you have not. We'd love for you to join the fam. Click that bell if you like more notifications from me, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.